Top Local Singles Review. Is this dating site legit? If you've come across Top Local Singles and are wondering whether it's a legitimate dating site or something you should be cautious about, this review will help you make a more informed decision. We'll break down how the site presents itself, what features it offers, and key factors to consider before signing up. Top Local Singles markets itself as a platform where people can meet and connect with local singles for dating and relationships. Like any dating site, it's important to evaluate transparency, user experience, security, and authenticity before entering personal information or investing time into creating a profile. Legitimate dating platforms provide clear terms, privacy protections, responsive support, and real user interactions, while scam or low-quality sites often lack these essentials. At first glance, Top Local Singles may appear to have a clean layout with prompts to create an account, browse matches, and start chatting. While an appealing user interface is a good start, it doesn't guarantee legitimacy. A trustworthy service will include detailed information about the company behind the platform, clear terms of use, and visible privacy policies explaining how your data is used and protected. Safety and security are crucial with dating sites. Legit platforms use secure encryption for messages and personal data, and they have systems in place to monitor and remove fake profiles or suspicious activity. If Top Local Singles has limited safety features, vague privacy terms, or lacks moderation tools, these can be red flags. Another important factor is user reviews and feedback. Real user experiences usually mention specifics, like ease of finding matches, the quality of conversations, and responsiveness of customer support. Scam or low-quality sites often rely on generic testimonials that don't provide real detail, or they may have very few credible reviews available online. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Top Local Singles may offer a user-friendly interface with a simple sign-up process that's easy to navigate. Encouraging local connections can be appealing for people who want to meet others in their area, and being free to join initially lets you explore without upfront costs. On the downside, the cons highlight potential concerns. Limited transparency about the company behind the site can make it hard to trust how your data is handled. Few verified user reviews make it difficult to gauge real experiences, and unclear privacy or security policies can be red flags for a dating platform. A lack of active moderation and varying match quality may also impact your experience. In summary, while Top Local Singles might look like a typical dating site at first glance, the lack of transparent company information and limited verifiable user feedback suggest you should proceed with caution. If you decide to try it, protect your privacy, use common sense when interacting with others, and look for additional reviews to help confirm the site's legitimacy before investing significant time or personal details.